vodka sauce with peppers and onions. So when we start the dish, we're gonna throw in the sweet onions and peppers and get them going. So we add a little salt, give it a shake, sprinkle over the shoulder for luck, and put a lid a little bit ajar. Just a little bit ajar. Now, with the garlic, all I do is take my grater and shave it. When we add the garlic a little bit later, we're also gonna add a couple of these roasted peppers. All you have to do is separate the blackened skin and the seeds, and we're gonna chop these guys. Okay guys, so now I've added the roasted peppers to this sweat fresh peppers and onions. I added the garlic, and now we're gonna add about a couple slow turns of the pan of vodka. So we're gonna let this cook out a bit. So almost all of the vodka has evaporated, which means most of its liquor content, much of it has gone away. So we're gonna add crushed tomato. We're gonna stretch the sauce with a bit of passata. And we're going to stir in some sweet basil. And then we're gonna turn this down a bit. It's on too high. We were reducing liquid. Now it's on too high. We want this to come down a bit. Also, we have our water at a good boil. It's on high. It's properly salted. We're gonna drop our pasta. So guys, we're gonna add a touch of cream now that the sauce has come together. And now we're just gonna blush the sauce. Now we're gonna turn this way down as low as it goes while the pasta is cooking. I dropped the pasta, but really good Italian pasta takes a long time. We have some hot cherry peppers right here, chopped, ready to throw in, and we're gonna put in just a splash of their juice. Now we're gonna take the pasta a little bit undercooked, and we're gonna put it right back, turn the stove off, put it right back. Add our starchy cooking water. This is the magic liquid that marries everything. And we're gonna add most of the sauce. Not all, most. Important. And stir, 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 stir. This is carryover cooking. When we stir all of the pasta with all of the sauce, the pasta, of course, is continuing to cook. So now, you can stay there, hon. I don't care. We're gonna add the hot cherry peppers and a little cheese. Oh, yeah, and let it emulsify. We're going to transfer. You pass extra sauce at the table, a little bit of basil chiffonade on top, and there you go, kids.